Now we're in our graphing section. This is number 21. We have been asked to graph square root of x minus 6. Comparing our graph to our equation with parameters, we'll be able to identify our AH and K. Remember, AH and K work the same exact way in all equations. Also, if you put this in your calculator, make sure you put parentheses around the part that's underneath the radical to distinguish between the h and the k. Comparing, our a is equal to 1, our h is equal to 6, and our k is equal to 0. We'll use those values to help set up our data table. Remembering that this is a square root function, so that it really looks like half a function because we can't take the square root of any negative values. Our first value is going to be 6, 0. Anything less than 6 is going to cause a negative under the denominator and an error in our calculator. 5 minus 6 would be negative 1. Square root of negative 1 is no real solution. Our first value then is 6, 0. At 7, we get 7 minus 6. Square root of 1 is 1. The next number that we can take the square root of is 4. In order to have 4 under the radical, x would have to be equal to 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. Let's use those three values for our graph. 6, 0, 7, 1, and 10, 2. Nice smooth graph, starting with our end point and having an arrow going in the other direction. Domain and range, always from least to greatest. In this case, 6 to infinity and 0 to infinity. Discussing our transformations. An a of 1 is the exact same thing that we would see in the parent function, square root of x. So it is the same size and shape as the parent function. In other words, no transformation there. Our h value is 6, which means that our function has shifted to the right 6 units. And a k of 0 means that it has shifted up nor down.